We hadn't sailed a day in our lives. So we bought a sailboat and figured we'll just pull on some ropes until this thing starts moving. They call me Raph. I'm the visionary behind all this madness. This is my friend Ben, and together we're sailing the entire Caribbean and eventually the world. Follow us as we attempt to spear world record fish and go on insane adventures only dreamed about. Oh, and did I say sharks, storms, and hangovers? We'd like to give a big thanks to our subscribers and especially our patrons. You guys are the only reason why our broadcasts strive to be the #1 sailing show. Welcome to Spirit Animal. Welcome back. This week, me and Ben have sailed from Spanish Wells up to the Abacos. Woo! What an epic sail that was. We made it 60 miles today, and from Spanish Wells up here to the southern point of Elbow. We ended up getting 5 mahi, 2 fell back overboard, but we got half a wahoo as well. Great day. Vitamins on a sailboat right here, baby. It's called, that's a multivitamin and lunch.
Vegetables for the day right there.
Bloody Marys. Look at this beautiful face. That's Ben's reaction after he tasted the drink. I forgot the vodka. I didn't put any alcohol in it. I completely forgot. We started drinking these and I'm like, something's missing. What is it? Ben has to fly home in 2 days. He's got to go work for a couple months. So we're sailing up to Great Guana so I can take him to my 2 all-time favorite bars. Just pulled up to Great Guana and we're gonna go check out the, see if any of the bars are open. Nippers and Grabbers.
A Category 5 powerhouse hurricane, 185 miles per hour sustained, gusts up to around 220. We're talking about Ep.4 tornado winds, not just for a couple of minutes, but for hours.
Wow, pretty speechless. You are looking at Nippers, or at least what's left of it. I can't get over how bad Nippers is, man. Nippers got crushed. This is what it used to look like, and this is what it looks like 1 year later. The devastation here is pretty unreal. I can't even remember because it looks nothing like it used to, but I'm pretty sure this is that small bar in between Nippers and Grabbers. It's either there or here, but it's completely gone. All right, we're at Grabbers right now, and this is how the new Grabbers looks, but there used to be a deck right here with another little, I don't know, a bar and a pool and a deck. So all that, I guess they just covered it up. Not only was the strength of Hurricane Dorian outrageous, but it literally stopped over top of the Abacos for over 24 hours. Walking around, it seemed like the storm had just hit yesterday. The only way it's going to get back to where it was is if everyone helps out as much as possible. Which is exactly what we're going to do. So check this out. I have a buddy call me up out of the blue. He has no clue where I'm at or what I'm doing, and he asked me if I wanted to help him rebuild some kitchens in the Bahamas at Green Turtle Island. I said, man, I'm literally on a sailboat sailing to Green Turtle Island right now, so count me in. So, in 2 weeks' time, I'm gonna meet up with them and we're gonna see how many kitchens we can build in 2.5 days. In the meantime, I got Ben flying out tomorrow. He's gotta go work in Florida for a couple months, and then I got a couple more buddies flying in the next day who wanna spearfish. One of them is a good buddy of mine from college. His name's Jesse, and he owns Flow Grown, which is why I have all this sick gear. We got the boys in town. We got got Jesse, Donnie, and Rob, all a bunch of killers. So, I was diving, getting some lobster, and I found this, saw a little piece of trash on the ground, and it looked like some bullets, and I went down. And you can see a case of bullets there, and I'm pretty sure there's a gun in this bad boy. Yeah, I think I can see the outline of it, so I'll take it into the boat and see what the hell's in there. Moment of truth. Two guns. Super old. It's pretty badass. I'd like to think they're murder weapons. Think about it. There was 12 bullets missing. Each one of these guns holds 6 bullets. Someone loaded them, went and hit a lick on someone, threw all the evidence in a bag, threw it overboard, only for little Ralphie to come swimming by many years later and find him in the ocean. They definitely killed someone. As cool as these things are, everything has a price tag. 10 grand or best offer. But anyways, the boys flew back home and I had to sail back up to Green Turtle Island. And I had some sweet sailing conditions. We got some sweet sailing conditions today. What'd I tell you? Got the autopilot on and I'm kicking back for a 5-hour trip to Green Turtle. It was a magical sail. And once I got there, Brad and Sinovio picked me up on a golf cart and Brad almost killed me. Brad, you need to slow down. Now, before you meet the crew, I have to warn you, we're not your typical charity group. Before I even picked up a hammer.
This is just, you know, we've been traveling all day.
We like to have a good time while we help people out. So this is Sinovio. We've been to Haiti 15 times together and have built over 40 houses with hammer and nail and a skill saw. There's absolutely nothing me and this guy can't accomplish together. This is Lewis. He's a wizard at laying floors, which is back-breaking work because it requires you to be in this position for the whole day. They say his lower back is stronger than Dolly Parton's. Then over here you got Javier and Corey, aka Carpenter Ant and Carpenter Bee. Not only because they work hard, but also because how they look. Then last but not least, there's Mornay. He says some weird stuff, but he's from South Africa, so we just let it slide.
Now that's some meat, boy.
That's some good meat. So, after traveling and unpacking, we only had a couple hours to work the first day. We managed to get the cabinets up and the countertops on. We're working on the last countertop right now. Got all the handles on. So we only had a couple hours to work today, but next few days we're gonna hit it all day, every day. We got a ton of work done, but it was Friday, so we started drinking. Man, dude, are you already scared?
And so that,
Yeah?
like when I tell people,
Are you
I
already
gotta sit you
scared?
bottom.
Yeah, no, give me another beer.
Which always leads to a great idea.
Go find the bar.
Headed to the bar! Is this a drive?
No, it was a drive.
Spear round, And then another great idea. This is Kai, and I've known him for 5 minutes.
Hot action with Spirit Round. We're about to go ballyhooing. Y'all get ready. Hot action. We're about to get them. You ready? And you ready? Ready to go. You ready, bro?
I'm out with Kaio and fishing, and we're about to go get some ballyhoo. At this point, I was in rare form, as in my conscience said peace form. Check out this cooler right here.
Oh, look at those fresh.
Good belly.
Hot action, baby. Raph fell in the water. First 30 seconds, he's in the water. We got some hot Where do we find him?
Jesus! How did I even get here?
That's the Wi-Fi deal.
Cue the magic mic moment right here. Come on.
All right.
Dun, 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 dun,
All right. How were you supposed to get home on that dinghy, bro? You wouldn't have made it. Come on.
I don't think that was my dinghy.
We just found Spirit Raph at the bar. He's out here scooping belly or pissing off the bow.
Have you ever been recruited when you didn't want to be recruited?
From the bar.
He's right there. Smoking.
That's a lipper. Meanwhile, the rest of the crew was having a calm night.
Here's a drink. Go on.
Now you can see why our motto is do good, don't die. Somehow, my friends got me home safe.
We dropped Raph back at his sailboat. He hit it a little too hard.
His phone.
He had to put his Wi-Fi box in, right?
Yo.
Look at this one taking care of you, making sure you're straight.
Let's spread it. Bahamian style.
This is
It'll work. It'll work.
This
tomorrow.
boat's really clean, Raph.
Thanks, dog.
It is.
And the boys got Javier tucked in bed.
Ouch. Let's go build some kitchens. Oh, my glasses.
For a second there, I thought I pissed my pants. Upon further investigation, I realized I fell in last night. My Wi-Fi device was broken, I didn't have cell phone service, and my dinghy was gone. So here I am, trapped on my own sailboat with no way to contact anyone. So while I was sitting there twiddling my thumbs, the boys were at the work site trying to regain their vision.
I got a picture of this. I'm sending it to everybody.
And eventually, they had someone come out and check on me.
Hey, look what I found.
What'd you find? Did you rescue him?
Now that the crew was back together, we rallied up and got down to business.
I got you too.
One to chug and one to sip on.
Go.
We managed to finish 3 kitchens in that short weekend. We also laid about 1,000 square feet of flooring. All the homeowners were incredibly grateful, and although we were either super hungover or cross-eyed, we had a great time doing it. This trip was one for the books. Funny fact before I forget, golf cart rental company, T&A Golf Cart Rentals. It stands for tits and ass, and this is not a joke, man. This is real. Someone was literally like, yeah,
Tits and ass.
this is, I swear to God, that's the name of it.
Really?
Someone was like, I'm gonna start a golf cart company. What are you gonna name it? Tits and ass.
That's it?
That's it, dude.
Tits and ass.
If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss next week when my crazy ass family comes to visit.